Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add a Google account now. First, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active. Slow network stall verification. Once connected, you'll need an alternate email or phone for recovery. Keep it nearby. Open settings and scroll to passwords and accounts or mail depending on iOS. This is where iPhone links external accounts. Tap Add Account and choose Google to start. These steps put the iPhone in the right state, so now sign in with your Google credentials. Type your full Gmail address and password carefully. Autofill can paste old data, so double check. If Google asks for two-step verification, follow the prompt. Approve on your phone, enter an SMS code, or use an authenticator app. Once verified, the iPhone will ask which services to sync. Choose Mail, Contacts, and Calendars if you want everything available. Grant the permissions so apps can access data. This is how sync works across devices. Finish by opening Mail or the Gmail app to confirm messages and folders appear. Give it a minute for initial sync. If contacts or calendars don't show, go back to Settings Accounts, tap the Google account, and ensure sync toggles are enabled. If something fails, make sure the password is correct and toggle the account off and on to force a refresh. As a last step, remove and re-add the account. This resolves most sync errors and completes your setup cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.